In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect all your pages into a sidebar in Notion for easy navigation. Whether you're a Notion newbie or a seasoned user looking to streamline your workspace, having a well-organized sidebar can immensely boost your productivity. So let's dive right into the process. To kick things off, we'll start by creating what we call a home page. This will be your main navigation hub within Notion. Begin by clicking on the plus new page button in the sidebar. It's important to give this page a clear and recognizable name. Something like home or dashboard works perfectly. This page will act as the central node where all your essential links will reside. Once your home page is set up, it's time to add links to your other pages. Start by opening your home page. Inside, type /link and then select link to page from the options that pop up. From here, you can choose the pages you frequently use, such as projects or notes. Continue this process to add links to all the key pages you want accessible from your home page. Here's a nifty tip. If you find it easier, you can simply drag other pages directly into your home page, and Notion will create links automatically. This can save you a bit of time and effort. With your links set up, the next task is to make sure everything is well organized. A nicely ordered sidebar is not only more visually pleasing, but it also makes navigation simpler. You can round off this organization process by adding emojis or headings to categorize your links better, giving your workspace a personal touch and making it easier on the eyes. To ensure that your homepage is always within reach, you'll want to add it to your favorites. To do this, hover over your homepage in the sidebar and click on the three dots, which you'll find represented by an ellipsis icon. From the drop-down menu, choose Add to Favorites. By adding this page to your favorites, it will forever remain at the top of your sidebar, no matter how many pages you accumulate over time. By following these steps, you've now transformed your Notion workspace into a seamlessly navigable hub. With all your important pages just a click away, this setup not only emphasizes efficiency, but also ensures your workspace stays clutter-free as it evolves. Enjoy your newly organized Notion sidebar and feel free to customize it further as you see fit.